Hey there, foodies and tech-savvy travelers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest app tricks to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into something super handy: how to change the country in the McDonald's app for 2025. Whether you're jet-setting across borders or just moved to a new place, getting your app to recognize the right country can unlock localized menus, deals, and even payment options. This update for 2025 makes the process smoother than ever, with enhanced security and user-friendly features. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of the McDonald's app installed on your device. Head to your App Store, search for McDonald's, and update if needed. Once that's done, open the app and log in to your account. If you're not logged in, that's your starting point. Tap on the Sign In button and enter your credentials. Now, navigate to the Settings menu. You'll find this by tapping on your profile icon, usually in the top right or bottom corner of the screen. It looks like a little person silhouette. Once you're in your profile, look for the Account Settings or Region and Language option. In the 2025 version, this is prominently displayed to make things easier. Next, select Change Country or Region Settings. You'll see a list of countries. Scroll through or use the search bar to find the one you want. Pro tip: double check that you're connected to a stable internet connection, as this step might require verification. After selecting your new country, the app will prompt you to confirm. Hit Confirm, and wait a few seconds for the changes to take effect. You might need to log out and log back in to see everything updated. If you run into any issues, like the app not recognizing your selection, try clearing the cache or restarting your device. McDonald's has improved error handling in 2025, so these glitches are rare. And there you have it. That's all it takes to switch countries and start enjoying those crave-worthy Big Macs or local specialties wherever you are. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and food hacks. Drop a comment below if you have questions, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay hungry and happy.